Hello, everyone, and greetings from TaiyangNews. Welcome to today's virtual conference on high efficiency solar technologies 2024. Today is actually the third day of this 4-day series event, and today is reserved for TOPCon technology. It is actually part two of TOPCon technology. So my name is Shravan Chunduri. I'm head of technology at TaiyangNews, all about solar, a solar news platform. While we cover several aspects of solar, but our primary focus is technology. So technology is very close to our hearts. And indeed, technology is also the topic of this 4-day event. Let me give you some background of this conference. As we all know, cell technology remains the primary driver of innovation in the PV industry. However, we also witnessing exciting developments in module level technologies that are independent of cell level advancements. So to delve really deep into these innovations, we have invited key stakeholders involved in the cell and module technology development, including manufacturers, equipment makers, and material suppliers and researchers. So today's photovoltaic landscape is really remarkably dynamic with three primary technologies already in commercial production in parallel. Talking about the TOPCon, it's the industry's workhorse, and it is the new state-of-the-art surpassing PERC in efficiency, in performance, as well as the cost. Heterojunction is a promising technology with unique advantages, and then we also have back contact, which in principle can use either PERC as or heterojunction as the base platform and move all the contacts to the back side. So it's a high efficiency approach with a potential for further optimization beyond heterojunction and TOPCon. So in order to provide a very comprehensive overview of these technologies, we have structured this event into 4 distinct streams, so each dedicated to a specific technology. Given the rapid evolution of TOPCon, we have allocated 2 days for this technology, while dedicating 1 day each for heterojunction and back contact, what is also called XBC. So last week, we have actually concluded first day of TOPCon, which is TOPCon Part 1, and the entire heterojunction day. So these sessions actually featured very insightful presentations and I should say very stimulating panel discussions. Manufacturers present various improvement possibilities with TOPCon technology. One manufacturer, which is Jinko Solar, even made a pre-announcements for its 2025 product that is expected to have 24.8% efficiency at module level. So, as we all know, we are in a oversupply situation and prices are really hitting rock bottom. So it was echoed in the panel that the industry must observe production discipline. And so this is a brief update on what happened on the day of the TOPCon, the day 1 of the TOPCon. But when it comes to heterojunction, the technology has successfully implemented several advanced features such as thinner wafer, half cell processing, zero busbar technology, silver coated copper metallization, down conversion film for UV protection, as well as performance enhanced. So a few of these aspects are now also being evaluated for TOPCon. So addressing the ideology of high cost associated with heterojunction, the panel on heterojunction collectively said that heterojunction is already competitive at system level, that is LCOE level. At the same time, it is not too far being at parity with TOPCon at per watt basis. So coming to today, we continue our exploration of TOPCon technology. This second day is dedicated to further delving deep into the latest advancements, challenges, and future prospects of this industry's workhorse technology. But before I go into the details, a few words about this event. As you can see, we have been hosting the conference on Zoom platform. At TaiyangNews, we very much encourage discussion and dialogue. And also, this is also true for our virtual events. That is why we really encourage everyone to please use the chat function to ask questions, share or comment on the subject of the conference today, which is TOPCon. But you can also address to the queries of others if they are also not directly posted to you. So this is a knowledge sharing platform, and we at TaiyangNews, we really consider this as a virtual coffee room. But as in physical events, since this is a non-moderated chat, we really request everyone to be really very nice with your comments, even if you do not agree with the comments from the others. Okay, then I think we have also showed the slides on the day one, but just again, I would like to reiterate what we said. So before going to the details of today's conference, I would like to give you some insights into the efficiency, a key metric for technology progress. So this is our top modules feature, which lists the top commercially available modules. As you can see here, top 2 commercial modules have already exceeded 24% efficiency, and top 5 are about 23%. And what we also do with this, with our top module feature is, in addition to publishing this monthly overview on commercially available modules, we also analyze the trends we learn from these top module features that we have been publishing from beginning of 2022. And the results are published in our half-yearly reports. We have published so far 4 such reports, and we'll be publishing our key findings for 2024 analysis towards the end of this year, maybe in less than 2 weeks. And yeah, so from the top modules perspective, what's the position of TOPCon it has in our top modules? So it is currently holding 5th rank, represented by JA Solar with a module efficiency of 23%. But before going into the agenda, we would like to thank our sponsors for today's event. Longi and JA Solar are our esteemed diamond sponsors. Huasan, Jinko Solar, and Trina Solar are our platinum sponsors. Astro Energy and Tongwei are our gold sponsors. The silver sponsorship is coming from ICO, JATI, also known as JTPV, and Ryzen. We have 6 bronze sponsors: Cybrid, DKM, DMEGC, which is DMAC, Hanzo Fast, Laplace, and Ryzen. And the silicon sponsors, including HiUV, Rena, and Singulus. So let me also give you a brief overview of today's agenda. So we actually tried to devise a nice program covering the important aspects of TOPCon. So coming from manufacturing, materials, equipment. So on this day 2 of TOPCon, Andreas Wolf from Fraunhofer ISE is going to give the keynote. Then we have 4 manufacturers speaking about the TOPCon developments, 2 equipment makers, and 1 material suppliers. Lucas Ye from Trina Solar, Jack Su from Tongwei, Shunri An from JTPV, and Alessandro from DMEC are representing the TOPCon producer stream. Rena and Lead Micro are presenting the updates on equipment level. Damian Brenner is speaking on behalf of Rena, and Baochan Liao representing Lead Micro. So in between these 2 equipment presenters, we have Anurag Mishra from Cybrid talking on the material front. So without, and then, yes, of course, we have also a panel, and I will have the pleasure of moderating a panel consisting of Andreas from ISC, Lead Micro's Baochan, Damian from Rena. In addition, we will also have Puzan from VDMA, which is essentially the German Equipment Industry Association that is also responsible for very well-known ITR-PV roadmap. So the topic of today's panel is what is the potential for TOPCon improvement?